All right, good morning, guys. Let's do another market review for September 11th, 2024. Very fast trade, exactly how I like it. If I can go in and out in the market in a matter of seconds, if I can do that every day, I wish I can. So today's review is going to be about the Russell right over here. Where these arrows are is the position that I took. So let's start at market open 9:30. So right off the bat, the bias is a bit to the downside because we have super trend red. We go on the 5 minute, bias is to the downside. We had data, huge murder candle down, recovered back up, but the trend is down. So usually when price action crosses the EMAs and makes a new trend, price loves to come in legs and waves to create that trend. So we come here, price came back to the EMAs, stayed there, rejected, stayed there, rejected. This is the third leg down. Coming back, coming back, coming back. So here is where I wanted to enter a position because I want price action to come back to the EMAs, consolidate, and reject to make another leg down because price action moves in waves along with these EMAs. So when price action came over here, our sub indicators are still red, pointing bearish. MACD to the downside, MACD to the downside, RSI is below 50. We're still coming onto the downside. So here, I think there's a massive candle right here. Yeah, right there. So price came, consolidated around the EMAs because every time price action comes back to the EMAs after a big move down, it comes back, and that's where people either exit positions, add to positions, or enter positions. Those three things happen around EMAs because they move in waves. So as soon as I saw price getting rejected off of here, I took a position right off the bounce of it right there, and I targeted the low, the current low of the day for a quick scalp. Literally took no more than 30 seconds for this trade because the momentum was to the downside so much. And the reason, another confirmation bias that I got for this trade is that I look at another time frame and my sub indicators are still to the downside, coming to the downside very hard. EMA is down, super trend is down, price action underneath the 200. So when I go on a smaller time frame to take a sniper precision shot, I'm very confident in the play that I take because the other time frame I'm getting confluence matching the current trend. So I go off of the bias of a bigger time frame and I sniper entry on a smaller one and I ride the momentum down and I targeted the low of today's trading day. Targeted that low and price came rejecting right back. But as I said, here's one leg, second leg, price comes back to the EMAs, makes a third leg down. So price action moves literally in waves, just like that. In waves. And that's an appropriate show right here of how price action moves. But yeah, that summarizes today's trading day extremely fast. And I was able to show my thought process of why I took this trade from A to Z. This is a compressed version of my live stream. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.